Hello students, in this class we are going to solve equations having variables on both sides. Already we have learned how to solve equations and what are the methods to solve equations. And when we have to solve any equation, always we have to bring those variables in LHS part. This is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. And when we are solving equation, first you have to check that which side variables are present. Here both side variables are present. Already we have learned how to solve equations when variables are present in one sides. But here both sides it is present. So what we have to do? We have to, by using transposing method, we have to transpose. If we are transposing those LHS terms to RHS, when the variable parts are in present in RHS, you have to bring to LHS. Now this x implies that 2x is the variable term and it is present in the LHS only. So no need to change. And here variable term is in RHS. So you bring to LHS. When we are bringing, this is a positive term or it is added to 2. So when we are bringing this, it becomes negative x. That is equal to this constant term we did not here. So 2 is its original place, no need to change. When we are transposing negative 3, not only 3, it is negative 3. When we are transposing this side, it becomes positive 3. Now it is simple. 2x minus x, that is equal to x, that is equal to 2 plus 3, 5. So this is the solution of this equation. Here this is another type of equation. Here the variable terms are present both sides and also this is not in the simple form. So how to find this solution? Now here this is 7 by 2, this is 3 by 2. To reduce this 2 and 2, what we have to do? Let us multiply 2 in both sides, 2 in each side. When we are multiplying 2 in each side, we know that what is the balancing method? In balancing method, we can multiply or we can add or we can divide a same number to both the sides. So let us multiply 2 in both sides. And why we are multiplying to both sides? To reduce this 2. So here multiply 2. We are getting 5x plus 7 by 2. That is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 x minus 14. Next step, what you will do? Now when 2 is outside the bracket and 2 is multiplied both term, then we have to multiply this 2 both terms inside the bracket. Here also this 2 will be multiplied both terms inside the bracket. Now 2 and 5x, that is equal to 10x, plus when we are multiplying 2 and 7 by 2, we are simply getting 7 only because this 2 and 2 we can reduce. Now 2 is multiplied by 3 by 2 and x, this 2 and 2 we can reduce and only 3 left, 3x, minus when 2 is multiplied to 14, then we are getting 28. Now this is in simple form, implies that now we can bring together all those variable terms to LHS. 10x minus 3x, that is equal to negative 28. Why it is negative 28? Because this is its own place, no need to change. Here it is the negative 28 only. And here positive 7 we are transposing to RHS, it becomes negative 7. Implies that now 7x minus 3x equal, 10x minus 3x equal to 7x, and that is equal to negative 28 minus 7. That means it is negative 35. Implies that 7x means only x we want. So when 7 we are transposing or 7 we are bringing to this side, it becomes division. So negative 35 divided by 7, and that is equal to negative 5. So negative 5 is the solution of this equation. Now we are getting another type of equation. Here the equations are where the expressions are in different form, and here the denominators are also different. In previous number the denominators were same, that's why we multiplied 2, but here 3 and 6 both denominators are different, so we need to multiply their LCM. To reduce this 3 and 6 we need to multiply their LCM, and the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6, so we need to multiply 6 in both the sides. In both sides, when we are multiplying, 6x plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1, that is equal to 6, will be multiplied in RHS also. Implies that when we are multiplying, here two terms are present. This is one term, 6x plus 1 divided by 3 and plus 1. So we need to multiply 6 in both terms inside the bracket. So when we are multiplying the first term, we are getting 3 and 6 reduced. So here it becomes 2 into 6x plus 1, and this plus 1 also we have to multiply by 6. Here we are getting 6, that is equal to 6 and 6, this is the total one term, so this 6 and 6 we can reduce, and only we are getting x minus 3. Implies that now we have to again simplify. When bracket is there, then again we have to remove the bracket. When we are removing the bracket, each term inside the bracket we need to multiply with this 2. So 2 is multiplied by 6x, that means equal to 12x plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 6, that is equal to x minus 3. Implies that here now we must have to bring those variable term to LHS. 12x in its original place, nothing to change. When we are bringing or transposing this x to LHS, it becomes negative x, because here it is positive term, that is equal to negative 3 in its original place, nothing to change. Now negative 2 and negative 6, because both terms are positive in LHS. When we are bringing to RHS, both term will be negative. Implies that 12x minus x, that is equal to 11x, implies that is equal to 11 negative 11, implies that x is equal to negative 11 divided by 11, and negative 1 is the solution of this equation.